Hello everyone, welcome to day 5 of my GATE study vlog. Today I have studied Central Limit Theorem and I am going to try to explain it. So Central Limit Theorem states that if we have a population that is not necessarily normal and we take samples of that populations that are independently selected and identically distributed, and when we take the average of each sample and then plot them, we'll get a graph that looks similar to normal distribution. And when we check for the parameters of this graph, it will come out to be mu, and mu as in population mean and population variance divided by n. Here is the proof of this. If we take expectation of SI, where SI is the average of all means, all sample means, we'll get expectation of SI S1 plus S2 bar plus S3 bar until Sm bar. Now n will come out as expectation is a linear operator, and if we assume that expectation of each individual sample is approximately equal to the population mean, we can take each as mu, then it will come out to be 1 by n plus mu plus and mu n times. So it will come out to be n mu upon n, and then n will cancel out and mu will be left. For variance we will do the same thing. Here n square will come out instead of n because the square of constant come out, and there will be no covariance term here because they are independent. And if we assume similarly as before that variance of each individual sample mean is equal to the population variance, it will come out to be 1 by n square population variance plus population variance and n times. It will come out to be n population variance upon n square, which will come out to be population variance by n. Thank you for watching.